Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Okta to Jira for SSO setup, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section on the dashboard. Click on the Add Application button. Search for Jira in the application catalog. Select Jira Cloud from the search results. Click Add to proceed with the setup. You will be directed to the General Settings page. Enter a name for your Jira application in the App Name field. Optionally, add a logo for easy identification. Click Next to continue. In the SAML Settings section, choose Use SAML 2.0. Locate your Jira instance URL to configure the settings correctly. In Okta, set the single sign-on URL to your. This typically looks like https://your-domain.atlassian.net/plugins/servlet/saml/SSO. Set the audience URI to match your Jira. This is usually your Jira URL as well. Complete the rest of the SAML settings, ensuring the request and response format are correct. In the Attribute Statements section, add the necessary attributes for Jira. Common attributes include username, email, and first name. Click Next to proceed after filling in all required fields. Review your settings on the feedback page. If everything looks good, click Finish to complete the Okta setup. Now, open your Jira instance in a new browser tab. Navigate to Jira Settings, then Products. Select Application Links from the menu. Enter the Okta SSO URL established earlier into the Enter URL field. Click Create New Link to set up the connection. Fill out the fields for application name and application type. Make sure to select Generic Application in the Type dropdown. After this, navigate back to the SAML SSO settings in Jira. Enter the relevant details as per your Okta configuration. Make sure to upload the Okta certificate for security. Save the changes to enable the connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.